In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a notebook in Microsoft OneNote. If you've ever tried to rename an entire notebook inside OneNote and couldn't find the option, you're not alone. OneNote lets you rename pages and sections easily, but the notebook itself is a little different. Because notebooks are stored and synced in the cloud, the most reliable way to rename one is through OneDrive, where the notebook actually lives. Start by opening your web browser and heading to OneDrive.com. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you use in OneNote. If you have multiple accounts, double-check the profile shown in the top right so you're in the correct OneDrive. Once you're in, navigate to the location where your notebooks are stored. For most people, that's the Documents folder, or a folder called OneNote Notebooks. If you're not sure where it is, use the search bar and type the current name of your notebook to find it quickly. When you see the notebook you want to rename, select it. You can right-click and choose Rename, or use the Rename option in the toolbar at the top. Type the new name you want, then press Enter or click Save. Keep the name short and clear so it's easy to recognize later. This change updates the notebook's name across your devices, not the content inside. Your notes stay exactly the same. Next, switch back to OneNote. To see the new name, you may need to close and reopen the notebook. This forces OneNote to sync to the updated name from OneDrive. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment. Syncing can take a bit depending on your connection. Closing and reopening is usually all it takes. A quick note about renaming inside the OneNote app. In most versions on Windows and Mac, you can right-click to rename pages and sections without any issues. However, renaming the entire notebook from within OneNote isn't reliable, which is why the OneDrive method is the standard approach. Also, this process works for notebooks saved in the cloud, which is the most common setup. If your notebook is stored only on your computer and not in OneDrive, this specific method won't apply. That's all there is to it. Sign in to OneDrive, find your notebook, rename it there, then refresh in OneNote. With this approach, your notebook's new name will be consistent and synced across your devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your OneNote organized and easy to navigate.